Good evening. Tonight we're going to be talking about drawing pictures of fractions. So this first one, we're going to shade 1/2 of a square 3 different ways. So we've got 3 squares to start out with. We can shade it vertically in half, we can shade it horizontally in half, and we can shade it diagonally in half. Now let's look at a rectangle. Shade 1/3 of a rectangle. So there's one way we can do that, and there's another way. You can either go horizontal or vertical. However, with a rectangle and thirds, we cannot go on the diagonals. Pause the video and put these in your notes. Now I'd like for you to try some of these. Draw a circle and shade 1/4 of it. Pause the video. Your circle should look similar to this. Now, when we are doing our circles, we cannot do vertical lines unless we're going through the middle. Otherwise, we don't end up with equal sized areas. Now let's try draw a rectangle and shade 2/3 of it. Pause the video. You should have shaded 2/3. Now, it could be flipped around onto your paper, that's okay, but as long as 2/3 of it is shaded, you would have a correct answer. Let's try one more. The shaded portion of this square represents 3/4. Show me another way to shade 3/4 of the square. Pause the video. Here are 2 examples of how you could have shaded 3/4 of this square. If you have any questions, make sure you ask in class tomorrow.